Our track lineup starts from a series which we call a 555 all the way up to a 1655. Really our flagship model is our 1255 surface excavation machine. It comes in around 260,000 pounds with a 600 horse C18 Caterpillar engine. Our big brother, which I refer to it as, is the 1655. It has two 600 horse Cat engines, and it tops the scale at around 460,000 pounds. So it needs a pretty big space and a high production volume unit. So we have several of those working overseas and in South America. One of the things that we've really focused in on is our dust collection system most recently. We feel that there's a lot of draw to control that. So what we've offered here in our 1255 is a bag house type situation, to where as we're cutting and we cut top down and we're collecting all of those elements and those dust from getting out into the air. So actually it's a waterless system. So when we cut in minerals like gypsum, we don't produce joint compound when it gets wet. One of the additional unique characteristics with the terrain leveler is the head actually will tilt right to left, kind of like a dozer. So that's actually a patented technology that Vermeer has, which is unique to surface miners. So the benefit to the customer is potentially they may have a water issue. So we can actually put a pitch or a design through mine planning to where we can control that water runoff. Additionally, if they have different levels of deposits, that head will tilt right to left, and we can actually precision surface mine. So one of the things that we see with our surface miner is the ability to generate a consistent product size. So with the Vermeer train leveler, we generate a 6-inch minus product size, which is really key because it may allow a customer to skip that primary crushing stage. Additionally, the ability to go back and mine close to a water table. Some of those reserves, they may have been able to drill and shoot for a significant number of years, but then they get closer to water, and they're really restricted to go back and get those reserves. So, if a guy's got a mine that's permitted, we don't want to leave, 12 meters of material on the ground. Additionally, when we get into urban encroachment, the ability to use a surface miner where explosives might no longer be applicable.